18-inch deep footing, 3 feet wide, 4-foot stem wall. Point load right here. Point load right there. Getting the footing dug. Down that line. 18 inches deep. Hoping to be done with the forming by next Friday. Big project. Got a 3-foot wide footing here. Stem wall is going to be right here, 4 foot. Bottom of plate's right there. It's going to go around and tie into the existing foundation right there. We got point loads. We got a point load there and a point load there for roof load. And we are held up by cribbing right there. It shoots out right here. Okay, ground zero. We have a 42 by 42 by 16, sorry, 18 deep. Point load goes here, the corner right here. It's roof load, transfers all the way up. Then we have that cut out, and then this cut out right here. That's for this beam, transfers out and over to that point load, transfers down. Big project. We got both grids tied. The first one's set up with 3-inch dobies. The second grid we're tying up here. We're going to tie it, suspend it off the spreaders here. And then, yeah, we got 4 foot right here. Stem wall, right on center, grid everywhere. And we're going to lift this and start forming today. Inspection Friday in a couple days, and then pour on Monday, I do believe. So stay tuned for this crazy project we got going on. There it is.